Okay, so basically we got so many questions from all of you. Thank you so much for putting a lot of questions. So I'm gonna choose.
Oh, thank you for all the questions. I'm so grateful.
Question is from Arizabili. Is Monika interested to join pageant?
Oh my gosh. You know what? Like my agent in the Philippines are like the beauty queen makers. But no, I really have passion for modeling because I cannot imagine myself just like, hi, you know, it's not my thing. Like I like to get sweaty, you know, so it's like, no, I'm not interested in pageant. But I super respect the girls who do it. So much hard training. So hard, yeah.
Monika, will you do acting? This is from Eddie Hartono. Will you do acting? I think you are perfect to be an
Oh, that's so sweet. Eddie Hartono. Thank you. Actually, Dana has been taking acting classes here in New York and I'm really interested.
Yeah, we just talked about it, right?
We were just talking about it. I'm really interested. I've never really tried because most of the time when I get TV work, I can just be like, it's usually hosting. So I can just be like on the go, say whatever I want. But acting is different. It's really an art and I am interested, but I really want to kill it, you know? So I really want to learn the art of it. Yes, I'm interested. Haven't started yet.
Wow. But willing to learn, right?
Willing to learn, yeah.
Okay, I heard that you say that you mostly do hosting, but as you know, actually, in the Philippines, the entertainment industry is really big, right?
Yeah,
and why don't you move back to Philippines to do like entertainment? Because basically entertainment, I think you get paid more than modeling.
In the Philippines, yes. So in the Philippines, actually, before I joined Asia's Next Top Model, I used to be a host in a noontime show in TV. I did have the experience. But back then, when it was like, maybe like 10 years ago, women hosts are not treated like men hosts. You're expected to be more sexy, you're expected to dance or sing. And that's not me, you know. I'm like I'm a woman, but
like
not
tomboy, boyish,
not like,
boyish.
La, 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 you know, I'm not that kind of girl.
Like you're more like boyish kind of.
Yeah,
like
maybe I want to like host Fear Factor, or you know, I want to be something like that. And I'm not the kind of girl who hosts and will dance for you and sing for you or wear sexy clothes.
That's me.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
So
it's not my personality.
I know. I'm the gay personality.
Yeah. So you know, it's different.
Yeah. Every people have their own portion. Hello, listen, Filipinos. If you have the sport television shows, Monika.
It's me.
She'll be back home. Okay.
Yes.
All right. From Joseph 12. If you guys were never been a model, what would you be doing now?
Such a good question. I feel like I want to be an entrepreneur now. Yeah, because my boyfriend has really been teaching me like how you build your own brand and like how everything works. So I'm so interested in that world right now. But back then I wanted to be a nutritionist. I wanted to do like teach fitness classes. I wanted to so many things Monika wants to do.
It's good. We have to have that strive in life, right?
Yeah.
To keep us alive. You know? That's good then.
Also psychologist, like or what do you call life coach.
Oh wow,
so many.
I love that. So now you're living in the US. How did you get here, and what you do now besides the modeling, or like your full-time modeling here?
I mean, yes, because that's the only thing we can do. You know, O1 visa can only work as a model.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't do anything else. But aside from modeling, my hobbies.
A lot of hobbies,
Yeah. But everybody knows I love riding bikes, of course.
Yes.
But aside from that,
working
out, like joining different classes, getting sweaty, you know. But aside from that, I'm trying to build a camper van.
Oh wow! Yeah, I saw that on
one?
Instagram.
Yeah, so we like really, me and my boyfriend, we really got inspired because we rented out like a camper van in LA. Tried it for 5 days and it's super fun. So now we bought our own like, you know, like secondhand, really like beat up van, and we're building it ourselves. So that's a fun project.
Yourself.
Yes. So it's a super fun project, something outside modeling that really like, you know, your creativity needs to like come out and like a lot of labor. So it's nice.
I think that is the point, or like I think that's part of your secret to maintain your positivity, like to be sane in this world, you know, because like in the modeling industry, it's not that we gonna work every day. It's not that every day we're gonna have casting or something like that.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get a job, sometimes you're not. You just have to be staying home. Like when you see the social media, your friends like getting a lot of jobs, something like that. So like there's so many things going on that in this world that we have to keep sane, like especially in our mentality, right?
For sure, you always have to find an outlet for your creativity. I think creativity is very important. Somewhere where you can just create something outside. For example, with modeling, because as she said, like it's not every day we get to work, so there are times you feel like, what am I doing with my life? Or we always go to castings and you get so much rejections. You know?
What?
Yeah. When
Monika, you got rejection, bro?
they're like, oh no, you're not for us. And how do you feel?
Really? They said that?
Yeah, they'll be like, no, you're not for us. And you have to feel like, okay, that's fine. You have to be like, that's fine, because you have to go to the next casting with confidence, you know?
Yes.
So you feel, you go through so many bad things in this industry, so you definitely need things outside.
And also prepare your mentality, girl, because you're gonna get a lot of rejections, and you have to be friends with the rejections.
Yes.
You have to make a peace on that, you know?
Amen.
Yes, amen for that. And then, what is your biggest insecurity?
Oh, that's a good question. I think my biggest insecurity also changes throughout time. But most of my modeling career, because we always get measured, right? High fashion models have to be so skinny. My hips don't lie. You know, I have wide
Shakira, hips don't lie.
Shakira.
Hips don't lie.
Yeah. And because my hip bones are wide, so no matter how much I don't eat, it cannot fit. Like I mean, I cannot reach the measurement of high fashion. But now I realize, as long as you become the best version of yourself, you will find success in where they accept you. Like, why we force ourselves to be something we're not, you know?
Not that.
Yes. So your biggest insecurity really is like you have to
accept yourself, loving yourself the way you are.
Yeah. Then you can achieve something, because you need to be the first one to like, you know, to believe in yourself first. Otherwise, how other people will believe in you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So my hips. What's my insecurity?
But basically, now you already overcome that, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, thank you, everybody. There's so your fans are so nice.
Like,
so many.
Like, wait, we haven't seen that. Like, so many. Like,
wow,
Wait.
fans are so
Yeah.
many.
Doodle. Who are your model idols?
Candice Swanepoel has always been a peg that I look up to because of her vibes. It's very like sexy, but she's still tomboyish, right?
Yes.
Tomboyish, embraces her curves, and I really like that about her. So even if I guess she's possibly super skinny still, back then she was the one who gave me hope that a woman with curves, because I have hips. So a woman with curves could succeed in New York or succeed in the international modeling stage. So she was like the model I looked up to. Yeah.
You made it happen, Monika.
Yes.
Oh wow, yes. And also the upcoming season, the Supermodel Me. So you'll be one of the mentor again, or what?
Yes. So me and Dana are going to be in season 6 of Supermodel Me as like guest mentors. So watch out for that. Catriona Gray, she's like our Miss Universe.
Hello.
And she's gonna be there too, so it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be intense.
Oh wow. What is the difference between Asia's Next Top Model and Supermodel Me?
Oh my gosh. It's really different because Supermodel Me, it's all about like, you know, super. So these girls are really put through like physical challenges. So you have to be like really like physically and mentally fit. That's more of like the focus of this show. So the tasks are going to be really interesting. So you guys really need to watch it because it's different. It's not just modeling, it's the overall physical and mental toughness of a woman. Sounds so intense, right?
It's very intense. Now you as judge, and then like seeing the pictures, like, you know, the process, or like at a height you have to talk to the models, like the younger model, which like it was you back then, was there.
I feel like I'm in such a good place to be able to know what to say.
Yeah.
I feel confident that I can help them at least be mentally a winner when they get out of the house. Because at the end of the day, like, only one can win, but beyond the competition, you still have to be tough even if you don't win, because that's where you will actually win in life, outside. So you need to keep them like happy, or keep them like motivated even if they lose.
Yes.
So that's my goal whenever I get in. Yeah.
We're the same.
And then if you don't win with you giving your best, you still can win outside. As long as, of course, you give your best inside. Don't like give up inside the show, because they're still it's gonna be filmed, you know, and that people will see your spirit. What matters also is the fans that you gain from that. It's like the people who believe in you will last outside the show. So that's what matters. You giving your best.
I think that's enough. There's so many questions already. But thank you so much, Monika, for giving time for me and the videos for all the... I'm pretty sure the Next Top Model followers and the fans, like, they've been wanting, you know, listening, update something, like, you know, there's so many rumors and everything, so everything is already done here at Curhatan Hamba. Yes. But anyway, all the best for you, Monika.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna see you in the Europe, I think, right?
That would be amazing. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Right?
Maybe in Germany.
Yeah.
Germany. Yeah.
Because there's a, you know, a conspiracy, you know, like, I think they want to spread the way to Europe.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah. Oh.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Watch out. I told her, but you don't know yet.
But yeah, I mean, just pray everything the best for you. If you think like New Year is the best for you, go ahead. But if you still want to spread your Philippines wings and flag to Europe, go ahead. We're gonna support you. Do you want to say something to your followers?
To all of my followers, I am so grateful that you've been like there for me since like 8 years ago. You've really been so helpful in my career here in New York. So thank you so much.
And I hope you loved this video, and don't forget to share, like, and comment down below, and don't forget to follow her social media. And God bless everyone.